Hello, aspiring herbalists. Welcome back to the Herbal Keys, your go-to channel for all things vibrant and green. As the days grow shorter and the festive season approaches, many of us assume our gardening days are on hold until spring. But December is actually a fantastic time to get a head start on some incredible herbs. Even with frost on the windows, you can be cultivating a thriving indoor oasis, ready to infuse your winter with fresh flavors and potent remedies. We're talking about transforming those chilly months into a period of fruitful growth and delicious anticipation. So settle in and get ready to discover how to banish those winter blues with the power of herbs. Before we dig into our top 5, if you're loving the content and want to support our mission to share the magic of herbs, consider becoming a channel member. You'll get exclusive perks and help us grow our community. Just hit that join button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit those hype and like buttons to let us know you're excited for some indoor gardening inspiration. Your support truly makes a difference. Now, let's get those hands dirty and prepare for a bountiful indoor harvest. Starting herbs in December requires a few key considerations for success. So before we unveil our star herbs, let's lay down some foundational knowledge. Tip 1 is location. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight. A south-facing window is ideal, but don't hesitate to supplement with LED or fluorescent grow lights for 12 to 14 hours daily to compensate for weak winter sun. This ensures your herbs get the energy they need, encouraging the compact, bushy habit crucial for continuous harvesting. Always use pots with drainage holes and a good quality potting mix designed for containers. Overwatering is a common killer of indoor plants, and proper drainage prevents root rot, keeping your herbs healthy and happy by allowing air to circulate around the roots, which is vital for nutrient uptake and survival. So select a lightweight mix that includes perlite or vermiculite for excellent aeration. Tip 3. Humidity Hug. Indoor air in winter can be dry. Consider misting your herbs regularly or placing their pots on a pebbled tray filled with water to increase humidity around them. Many herbs appreciate this extra moisture, mimicking their natural environment and helping prevent dry, crispy leaf edges that make the plants look unsightly and stressed. Tip 4. Don't over-fertilize. In winter, plant growth naturally slows down. Use a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer sparingly, perhaps once a month, if at all. Too much fertilizer can burn delicate roots during this slower growth period. With those tips in mind, let's get to our first incredible herb that loves a December start. First up on our list is the wonderfully aromatic cilantro, Coriandrum sativum. This herb is a true kitchen staple, cherished for its fresh, zesty flavor that brightens countless dishes. What's fantastic about cilantro is its relatively quick growth cycle and its preference for cooler temperatures, making it an excellent candidate for indoor winter cultivation. It germinates fairly quickly, often within 7 to 10 days, and you can start harvesting its delicate leaves in about 3 to 4 weeks. For continuous supply, consider succession planting every couple of weeks. Remember, it can be a bit sensitive to heat, which is why the consistent cooler temperatures of an indoor environment in December are often perfect, preventing it from bolting too early. The versatility of cilantro in the kitchen is simply amazing. Even a simple bowl of roasted vegetables can be elevated with a sprinkle of this aromatic herb. Imagine adding freshly snipped cilantro to your homemade salsas, giving them an authentic and vibrant kick. It's also indispensable in a classic guacamole, providing that signature fresh flavor that complements the creamy avocado perfectly. You can stir it into your hearty winter chilies for a burst of freshness, or sprinkle it generously over tacos, curries, and noodle dishes. Think about a fresh Vietnamese pho or a zesty Thai salad where cilantro is the star, adding a bright, herbaceous note that truly transforms the dish. Next on our list is the ever-popular parsley, specifically the flat-leaf Italian variety, Petroselinum crispum. Parsley is a biennial herb, meaning it lives for 2 years, and it's incredibly resilient, making it a fantastic choice for indoor winter growing. It germinates a bit slower than cilantro, sometimes taking up to 2 to 3 weeks, so a little patience is key. Soaking the seeds overnight before planting can help speed up germination. Once established, parsley is a prolific producer, offering a steady supply of its deeply flavored, nutritious leaves throughout the winter months. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for your health, as well as your palate. Parsley's robust flavor makes it incredibly versatile in the culinary world. You can finely chop it and incorporate it into marinades for chicken or fish, adding a fresh, herbaceous base. It's a key ingredient in many Mediterranean dishes, like a vibrant tabbouleh salad, where it's the star alongside bulgur wheat and tomatoes. Imagine garnishing your creamy winter soups or stews with a generous sprinkle of fresh parsley, elevating both the presentation and the flavor. It's also perfect in a gremolata, a zesty Italian condiment made with lemon zest and garlic, ideal for rich dishes like ossobuco. Even a simple omelet or scrambled eggs can be transformed with a handful of fresh, chopped parsley, adding a touch of gourmet elegance. Coming in at number 3, we have the incredibly robust and flavorful oregano, Origanum vulgar. Often associated with Mediterranean cuisine, oregano is a perennial herb that thrives indoors with proper care, making it a fantastic addition to your winter herb garden. Starting from seed in December allows it to establish a strong root system before the warmer months. While it can take a bit longer to germinate, sometimes 10 to 14 days, once it gets going, it's quite resilient and relatively low maintenance. Oregano prefers well-drained soil and a sunny spot, and you'll find that its flavor intensifies when grown in slightly drier conditions. It's a wonderful herb for a continuous harvest throughout the winter. The pungent, slightly peppery flavor of fresh oregano is a game-changer in the kitchen. A sprinkle of fresh oregano over your homemade pizza or pasta sauce truly brings out authentic Italian flavors. It's also essential in Greek cuisine, lending its distinctive taste to moussaka, souvlaki, and vibrant Greek salads. You can chop it finely and mix it into meatballs or meatloaf for an aromatic boost. Imagine infusing olive oil with fresh oregano sprigs for a delightful bread dip or a flavorful drizzle over roasted vegetables. Even a simple grilled cheese sandwich can be elevated with a pinch of fresh oregano, adding a sophisticated depth of flavor that dried oregano simply can't match. Our fourth herb is the wonderfully refreshing mint, Mentha spp. While mint is notoriously vigorous outdoors and can quickly take over a garden, growing it in a container indoors in December is an excellent way to control its spread and enjoy its fragrant leaves all winter long. Mint seeds can be very tiny and sometimes challenging to germinate. So starting with a small plant or a cutting from an existing plant is often the easiest route. Mint loves consistently moist soil and bright, indirect light. There are many varieties, from peppermint to spearmint, chocolate mint, and even apple mint, each offering its unique aromatic profile. It's a rapidly growing herb, so you'll have plenty to harvest quickly. The versatility of mint extends far beyond just adding a garnish to your mojito. Of course, fresh mint is indispensable for cocktails like the classic mojito or a mint julep, providing a crisp, cooling sensation. But think about brewing a soothing cup of fresh mint tea to warm you up on a cold winter evening. It's incredibly refreshing and calming. You can also incorporate mint into sweet dishes like a fresh fruit salad or a chocolate dessert, where its cool notes perfectly complement richer flavors. It's fantastic in savory dishes too, like a refreshing cucumber and mint yogurt sauce for grilled lamb or a vibrant mint pesto for pasta. Even a simple glass of water infused with fresh mint and lemon can feel luxurious. And finally, rounding out our top 5, we have the incredibly hardy and aromatic thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Thyme is a perennial herb that is surprisingly easy to grow indoors, making it a perfect choice for December planting. It has a relatively slow germination rate, often taking 14 to 21 days. So again, patience is a virtue here. Once established, thyme is incredibly drought-tolerant and thrives in well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. It's a low-growing, woody herb that will provide you with small, intensely flavored leaves throughout the winter. Its resilience and ability to withstand slightly drier indoor conditions make it a fantastic, fuss-free herb for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Thyme's earthy, savory flavor is a cornerstone in many culinary traditions. It pairs beautifully with roasted meats like chicken, lamb, or pork, infusing them with a deep, aromatic essence. Imagine sprigs of fresh thyme tucked into a roasting pan with root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, creating a truly comforting winter meal. You can infuse olive oil with fresh thyme for a flavorful base for salad dressings. Even a simple mushroom risotto or a creamy bechamel sauce can be elevated with the addition of fresh thyme, bringing a touch of rustic elegance to your home cooking. It's also wonderful in soups, stews, and gravies, adding a subtle yet powerful layer of flavor. It's an indispensable herb for hearty winter dishes. And there you have it, 5 fantastic herbs you can start growing right now in December, transforming your home into a fragrant, edible sanctuary. We hope this video has inspired you to get your hands dirty and bring some green goodness into your winter. Don't let the cold weather stop you from enjoying the incredible benefits of fresh, homegrown herbs. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips, tricks, and herbal wisdom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Herbal Keys. And for exclusive content and to further support our channel, consider becoming a member. To let us know you made it all the way to the end of this video, drop an angel emoji in the comments below. We love hearing from you and seeing our community grow. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Happy growing, and we'll see you in the next video.